Hello everyone, inside Dollar Tree, and the flamingos immediately caught my attention. Now these beautiful napkins can be turned into rice paper, and I did share that on a couple videos ago. Maybe I'll link it down in the description below if you want to see how I use napkins. They have some really cute plates here. Look at the flamingos. Are you doing any birthday yard decorations? They even come with the metal stick, or stake I should say. These almost look like glass, but they're not. They're just regular plastic. So many cute signs. Here's some more flamingo prints. And these say Very Sweet Summer. And then they have the plates and little dishware. I don't know how people are using them. If you have suggestions, they also have these little flamingo wooden beads. All these little decorative candy jars, little flamingos. They have the popsicles, which are just, what else could you put in them? You could sell, like if you do little craft fairs, you can sell jewelry and use those as a little selling container. Or if you make slime, or your kids like making slime, those would be perfect for DIY slime containers. Look, more flamingos. I think I have these from a couple years ago that I've been meaning to craft with. And they have 2-pack. These are actually light up. There's a little button typically on the bottom that you just press. A whole bunch of watermelon, strawberries, pineapple. They look like new beverage containers this year. Little ducks. I think we usually see these. Lots of floral here. There's the drink cups, the shark, the watermelon. But what really caught my attention were these little flamingos. I don't know how everybody is using them, but they're so cute. And so there's the hot pink, and then there's this one as well that I have to show you. I'm dropping things. But this one here, so it's like a baby pink. Very cute. All right, I want to walk down. This one, this aisle doesn't have too much, but there's a little bit of summer swim things and some plastic shovels and toys. I had to share with you, there are some new florals. They're like really long, and if you wanted to fill like a front porch basket or something, this might actually look really nice. And they have a variety of colors and greenery. I'm not sure. It's like not eucalyptus. For a little photo shoot, if you have a 1-year-old, how sweet can this be as a little prop in the photo? They don't have to smash it. I know they're supposed to be mini piñatas, but even just for a picture, cute little staging, you can hang some like above them, have them sit on the floor. And anyways, I don't know, maybe how cute is a little unicorn in a little dress? Or yeah, anyways, there's some cupcake decor here, lots of birthday candles. I have a birthday for my daughter coming soon, so that's why I'm over here. These are so cute and perfect for paper crafters. I have some cute candles, so I don't really need anything. Oh, this is more, I think, of like, no, their birthday wrap. I was thinking it was part of the baby stuff. I should probably look up some Sweet 16 themes. I can't even believe she's turning 16. Oh my gosh, where has the time gone? This would be cute. Could put it in the bushes or in the car. Oh my gosh, I have to think about this, but maybe like in the car. Yeah, because she has school on her birthday. I could decorate her seat or something, or like right in front of on the dashboard, I think it would be. Oh, I totally have to think outside the box. Something she's not expecting. One with a toddler use this. The shapes and stuff. I think it'd be great for my niece. Oh boy, I don't need any more little cards, but these look... If they had Alice in Wonderland theme, I would have to buy them. Peanuts. I think I have the Christmas peanuts. I have to look at the stash that I have. This is really bad. And I should start using them in my junk journals. Some more nostalgic characters. By the way, these tins, if you finish using them as a craft, you can use them to store cards and such for kids, or like little markers, or make a little car kit with some couple crayons or something, or a wash off marker. I forget what those are called. These are cute. They almost look like pins. These are sealed. I can't see what the pages look like, but I think we've seen them a couple years ago with a different pattern, and they had little coats inside. So fun. I love the color blocking on this. Oh, these are like a soft, not quite velvety, but almost. Hard to describe. Little calendars. I wonder if these could be transformed into junk journals. I mean, you could, but you'd have to take out quite a few pages, I think. Some more calendars. Weekly planner. All right. I want to take a look at the books. If you are having trouble seeing here, just pause the screen, take a screenshot, zoom in. I'm not going to go through all the books. Here's some Taylor Swift stuff. I did see these before here. But yeah, in the upper shelf, I can't even reach all the books. So kind of like take a little view over. And then when you find, oh, this one's different. I haven't seen the Story of Taylor Swift book here at Dollar Tree. So here, if you want, you can pause, take a screenshot, zoom in, do all the things. I love these Elmo books. They're really nice. There's some more books here. Not sure if anyone's familiar with them or recommends them. If you found a nice book at Dollar Tree, maybe let others know. I actually want to take a look at the coloring books. There's a few things I'm after, and I always like looking at the children's books, especially things like this. These are great beginner books, like really nice. These remind me of the cozy calm coloring books. The pages are not super thin, but they're not thick either. They are dual-sided, so I guess once you kind of pick one side, if you're using markers, you're going to lose the back side. So there's cute different bubble tea. They come with stickers as well. Has anyone enjoyed coloring in these? I'm thinking I might grab a couple. Can never go wrong with having a coloring book. These are, is it mandala, I think. So pretty because they're flowers. I just wish that the book wasn't all destroyed. I'll take a look and see if they have more here. I like when they're, oh, these would be beautiful if you tea ink them, like with a tea bag, and then use them in junk journals. I always look at pages for coloring books in a weird way. Oh my gosh. Let's see if these have cute. Oh, this is cute too. This is very cute. I'm going to leave it because I have some children's books that I bought at the thrift store to take apart. Okay, look what I just found. She's coming home with me because I have a strawberry shortcake paper craft that I've been working on, and this is coming home with me because I have to incorporate it somehow. These are new. Haven't seen them before. Quite detailed. Only one-sided, so that's kind of good for markers. See if there's any other fun coloring books here. Now I have to see if there's any more strawberry shortcake. If you have seen other strawberry shortcake goodies at Dollar Tree, please let me know. Oh wow, this looks like Alice in Wonderland theme. It is. Oh, I don't particularly like. It's cute. Can I make it work? No, probably not. Let me look at it again. I like the little card pictures, but this one is new to me. It's a dot to dot Sesame Street. Simple. I like it. Here's another one. I feel like we saw something similar months ago, but I don't remember this particular pattern. Look how thick these pages are. Has anyone tried this watercolor book? I have the small one. I actually bought a couple of these because I thought it was fantastic. But that one is so thick. So just a quick overview here. There's some paintbrushes, lots of paints, acrylic, all sorts. And then my attention was on this little end cap here. But check this out. These look like they sold out because I don't see any more. It's really pretty. Oh, I thought this was an envelope, one of those clear ones. But it's just look at this. It's got like a plastic sleeve. Very nicely done. I don't see any more here. It's this thin paper. These are great for junk journals too if you want to start out with a mini. Can keep it really, really small so it's not so overwhelming to do big, large layouts. This one's cute for notes. Put in your purse. Maybe a little bit too big. Oh, look. Oh, no. I thought it was like the other one, but it's not. Yeah, this is new. Mixed media. This would be a nice junk journal. Yeah, for sure. Even if you wanted to salvage some of the pages, you can pull them out and then use them for your own drawings and crafty goods. I came back to the stationery because it was a little bit busy, but look how cute this cover is. It's so retro. I think it fits better here. Oh my gosh, somebody left peanut butter in the aisle. And this was cute as well. I like this. I like the cover. I hope you enjoyed walking through Dollar Tree with me today, and until next time, everyone, thank you so very much for watching. Bye for now.